Hey everybody and welcome back. In this video we're going to be installing the factory extended running boards on our 2024 Ford Transit 350 XLT. We'll also show you all the parts and tools you'll need to complete this installation. So definitely stick around to the end of this video. So here's a quick shot of the boxes and part numbers. I have all the part numbers in the description, so if you want to go down there I'll give you exactly what we used. So all the parts and hardware at our local dealer, it cost us $1,101.93. Now this may vary per your dealer, but this just shows you about how much you will be paying for all the parts. As for the tools, you're going to need some needle nose pliers to remove some clips on the trim. And then you're going to need this universal trim removal tool. You can get this at your local automotive store. And you're going to need to get an 8 by 1.25 tap. Now this kit came with a drill bit, but you just need the tap since the holes are already pre-drilled from the factory. Then you're going to need a 13-inch deep socket, and of course you're going to need a ratchet to put on that. And then you're going to need some sort of lubricant to use when you tap your holes. A way we found to make it easier to find your clips to be able to get your tool around them is just to get your new part and hold it up to your old part so it lines up and shows you where you can put your tool. Now I've got to warn you that these little white clips are made of hard plastic, so when you remove the trim they will break, but since we're changing the trim, that's okay. Now just do the same thing on the other side. Now for this part you're going to need a pretty stiff wire brush to remove the factory undercoating from these bolts so that the nuts can screw on smoothly without cross-threading. So here are the holes you'll be tapping. As you can see, they're already pre-drilled. And you're going to want to make sure to remove any undercoating from inside of them to ensure that the tapping goes smoothly. Add a little lubricant. Lubricate your tap and start tapping the hole. Now on our vehicle, the holes were not drilled perfectly up and down, so if you come across this and you're worried you're not tapping it properly, it's okay, it comes that way from the factory. Just make sure you're tapping as straight through with the hole as you can.
Download Upside. I'm saving the cash iron from using Upside to help pay for a vacation later this year.
Download the free Upside app now and earn cash back every time you buy gas. Use promo code PIPE to get an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first tank. You can cash out anytime with your bank, PayPal, or a gift card for Amazon and other brands. Just download the free Upside app and use promo code PIPE for a 25 cents per gallon bonus on your first tank. That's code PIPE for a 25 cents per gallon bonus. I'm also
there's 10 holes on the bottom that you're going to need to tap. And after that, you're ready for your installation. Just put a little lubricant on your white clips on your trim. And just repeat the process on the opposite side.
Yep, they're all in the hole. Yeah, pop. Keep going. Alright, we're getting ready. Yeah. That's it. Spot.
They all let me in?
Yeah, just keep.
You did it in the front.
That's in. Popped in.
Now you get those bottom clips.
Okay, with the ice, here we go.
Now you can bolt the running boards on.
There you go, just like that.
Take it back with you. There you go.
So, alright. Okay.
And with that, that's all there is to installing the extended running boards on your Ford Transit. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe. If you have any thoughts or questions, please feel free to drop a comment down below, and we'll see y'all in the next video.